Now that we've gone through some of the basics of WebEx, let's look at a couple of the more advanced features that some of our speakers use. The first is sharing your internet browser or sharing an internet browser with the attendees, and it's very simple. You just come up to the menus at the top, and you'll see the share menu there. And you can see all the different things that you can share with the attendees. But if you're wanting to share the internet, perhaps you're doing a session on a specific technology like Facebook or Twitter, you can actually select share and then select web browser. And this brings up an internet browser, and WebEx just lets you know you're sharing your application now. So you can simply say OK. Now you'll see that it just pulled up this random browser, so you need to select then where exactly you're going to go, what you're showing the actual participants. Now you'll see you have this floating toolbar. This gives you access to all your panels that you had when you were in the WebEx platform. It lets you know that you're sharing your web browser, and it also gives you the capability to stop sharing the web browser. Now you could do anything you wanted to with the web browser, give a tour, show people a specific process or a video or something like that. And then when you're ready to go back to your slides or go back into the main area, you just simply press stop. And see, and it brought you right back into the WebEx platform. Now if you wanted to share something on your desktop, perhaps a document or a presentation, something that's housed specifically on your computer, again, go up to share and just select desktop. Now, because the browser was the last thing on my desktop, that's what you would see. So you just have to be careful that, again, anything that's on your desktop people would see. So if you have something open, just make sure that you're fine with people seeing that. And again, it gives you your floating panels here. So if you wanted to, you could, see what was going on back there. And then it also just gives you capability to stop and go back into the main area. Now, if there was a poll, say that you as a speaker wanted to create on the fly, that's no problem. Maybe something you're going through some content, and we've gotten some questions in, and you wanted to create a quick on-the-fly poll. Simply open the polling panel, click Add a New Question, type in your question here. So we'll say, what color is the sky? And then real quickly, you can do this within a matter of seconds. We could say blue, purple, yellow, and on and on. You can add as many questions as you like. Now, when you're done, and you saw how fast that was, you just click the open poll button, and you would be able to see the attendees answering the poll real time. And as those results are coming in, you can be talking about it and tell them what you're seeing. When enough people have responded, or you think they're responded, you simply close it, click poll results and the apply button, and then they would be able to see how they answered compared to everyone else. And it is an anonymous poll. And if you, wanted to just move on or go to another poll, simply click clear all, and it'll ask if you want to save the results. Typically we say no, just because we don't do anything with the data or the questions. And those are some of the more advanced features of the WebEx platform, and we'd be happy to show you anything else that you'd like to learn about.